Oh, hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of Ron Knows Stuff. Today, we're going to show you how we came up with the install of the knobs. We've got handles, we've got knobs. It just finishes off the kitchen, don't you think? So, in your comments, let us know, do you think we should put handles on this piece too? It doesn't pull open yet.
Well, it would be more of a flip out, not
Yeah,
a pull open.
yeah, it'd be a flip out, not a pull open.
Okay. What are you doing?
So, so watch this video and we'll show you how to install these knobs with a cardboard box. That's right, a cardboard box. So you're going to use a lot of blue tape in this process. You want to mark the center of the cabinets and your center lines of the drawers. And you can simply mark over uh, with your tape measure so that you get everything lined up. When you're doing a double door like that, you find the center of the cabinet and just use your level to transfer that center mark onto the drawer up top. Then you're going to again use blue tape and your tape measure and mark where you want that hole for the left and the right. Once you've done this, then it's going to be easy to transpose to all the other doors. So you drill your holes to the left side. Now I'm using a smaller bit here than the actual finish bit because I'll ream them out a little bit. It's just easier to work with the smaller bit and it doesn't splinter the wood. The blue tape helps with that too. So now that you've drilled your first hole, you're going to take your cardboard box, and as you can see, it's nice and firm. Drill from the back to get your mark for the left drawer, and now you do it again for the right door. Then, of course, you take your pen or Sharpie and write right door and left door. So that this way you know which side goes where when you're going to do other cabinets. So now that that's done, you go to the next set of doors. Same thing. Put your little blue tape there. And once you hold it in place, drill that pilot hole for the left side. Then you turn the box for the right side and you drill that pilot hole. You get a nice even finish. Then once you've marked it, you can drill through the rest of the way and then again use your bigger bit. Now that all the holes are drilled, I'm taking the hardware out, getting it ready. For the doors, you're going to use the shorter screw that comes with the hardware. For the drawers themselves, you're going to use the longer because it's going through two pieces of wood, the drawer and the drawer front. Whereas with the doors, it's just going through the door, so that uses a smaller screw. These are square knobs, so you just kind of eyeball it for up and down so that they match better. Round knobs are a lot easier to square up than the rectangle or oblong, but you can see right there that I'm just kind of eyeballing it, holding it in place. Before I give it the final tug, I just make sure it has a good up and down. You can see those really look nice. So now that I've got all the knobs, oh, couple more knobs to do. But once I finish the knobs, I'm going to go on and finish up the handles. The handles are just as easy to install as the knobs. Sometimes you have to do one screw, just start it a little bit, then go back to the other one, and then you can finish it up, get nice and tight. And I'm finishing up this cabinet, which again, it gives it a real nice finished look. So we're really happy with the way the kitchen's coming out. We did touch-up paint before we did or after we drilled the holes, but before we put in the knobs and handles, just to make sure it looks good, and it does. So you can see that's a nice finished product. And oh, take a look at the white ones too. Oh, and if you haven't, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Really helps me out, and it helps you out too because Ron knows stuff, Mrs. Ron knows stuff, and now you know stuff.
Bye for now.